Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be talking about the new revamped Magic Wheel. So the sad news is we cannot use Crystal of Aurora anymore on the Magic Wheel. Only diamonds and magic potions. So what I did was I saved my 800 Starlight cores and it got converted to Arcane Star Core. So I'll be ready for the next 4 legendary skins that I will get. Sorry, legend skins. So these are all the cumulative rewards you can get from drawing, and you can see a paradise island here. Some charisma gifts, a magic potion, and also an angel art. And Saber's skin has also been revamped. The codename Storm.
Project Storm activate.
It has a new loading animation, and for me, it looks cooler than the pre-revamped version. And these are all the prize pool. Yeah, I hope I can get this Raging Hunter. I don't have that yet. I'm not gonna draw now, guys. I still have 4 Arcane Star Cores for Legend skins. And Event Shop. Can choose from these skins. And you can also get some dynamic portrait. So let's see how good the new skin is. I'm still thinking of what legend skin to get. I don't use the legend skin of most of the featured heroes, so I haven't bought one skin yet until now. Wait, why I can't see the saber? Oh yeah, here.
Kill all.
And why am I using this basic skin? Wait, is that my best skin? Wait. I think I'll equip this first.
No criminal goes unpunished. Kill all at once.
So here's the legend skin, guys. Wait. It's lagging a little. So first, let's see the first skill. Definitely better than the old revamp skin. The second skill, the dash one. Yeah, I like the sound effect. And for the ultimate, wow, what an awesome thunder strike. Let's see that again. See, very flashy, very cool. So if you're a Saber main, definitely get this. Of course, you'll be spending a lot of diamonds to get that. So are you getting the codename Saber skin? Share in the comment down below. Thank you for watching.